Assalamu alaikum, my cooking in a budget's family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. 1/4 cup of julienne cut carrots. 1/2 cup of cabbage. 1/2 cup of boiled and shredded chicken. Shredded cheese 1/2 cup. 1 cup boiled macaroni. 1 boiled and cubed potato. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Crushed red pepper 1/2 tablespoon. Crushed cumin 1/2 tablespoon. Chicken powder 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Make samosas. Make 18 to 20 samosas. Fry in medium hot oil on medium flame until it turns golden. Alhamdulillah. Our Chinese samosa is ready. Serve hot. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next delicious recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.